All right, what's going on, everybody? Today, I'm really excited to show you how to make your own custom transcription service using only make.com and then OpenAI's Whisper. And this is perfect for summarizing just about any type of meeting. You can customize this so much. And it's actually how I got my first client who works as an attorney at a law firm. And basically, the firm had an issue with capturing all the relevant details from what's called motion meetings. And basically, motion meetings just cover a variety of cases presented to judges. And so it's important to know all the information, so the certain outcomes. And just to show an example of a document that I actually created for the client, this was automatically generated, but it has these specific parameters, and we just auto generate this same template over and over again. So this was one audio file that was processed, and it broke it down into several cases, which is what you want in a motion meeting. And today, I'm going to show you how to do the same exact thing, but on a more simplistic level. I'm going to show you how to make it even more powerful and dynamic. So let's just get straight into it. And before we proceed, make sure you do have an OpenAI account with a Plus subscription. But the first thing we need to do is just look up openai.com. Once you're here, just go into products, API login, and then you're going to want to go to your profile and then just billing. And then here's where you can actually add the credit to your balance. So I just added $10. You can adjust this to anything you like. You don't need much at all to get this started. So for this instance, we're going to focus on getting summarized notes of this video from my boy Russell Wilson on how to stay focused under pressure. So I just downloaded this video as an M4A format, so just getting the audio file itself. Once you have that, we can continue on with the automation. And real quick, once you're in Google Drive, all you have to do is create two separate folders. So one folder for the audio files and then another folder for your template. And I'll show you how this looks like. So this is the exact template that we're going to use to generate the notes. So whenever you add an audio file to this specific folder, the automation will be triggered. Now we can start building in make.com. So once you're in the organization tab, we can hit scenarios here. Transcription tutorial is the one I created. And so let's start it. So the first thing we need to do is watch the files in a specific folder. So we're going to pull up the one we mentioned before. So we hit watch files in a folder. Then we just specify the folder which we created, and then that's good for now, and then we can click for now on. So now in order to transcribe this file, we need to actually download it. So the way we do that, take Google Drive, download a file. So where it says enter a file ID, we can enter manually. And then we can quickly erase this and then click this right here, file ID. Now once this file is downloaded, we can finally do the transcription process. So we can open up OpenAI, create a transcription whisper, and then leave this as is, and we'll say the response format, we'll set it to text, and then now we just give this a custom prompt. So we're just going to say, please transcribe this audio. All right, cool. Now that we did the transcription process, we can send in our own custom prompt to summarize the video in our own way. So create a completion. Then we'll select for this model, we'll just simply go GPT-4 will suffice, and then just leave the max tokens as is. And then where it says messages, add message. We're going to select the role as a user. And then the text content, you can send in your own prompt. I'm just going to put this in. Notice how it's very short and concise, my prompt. I'm telling it exactly what to do. And I say only respond with 4 bullet points. So no extra commentary, no nonsense, just what I need. Then the most important part, after this prompt is done, we need to update our Google documents. So then we're going to create a document from a template. So that template I showed you before, that's where our information will be entered. And then I'll click Russell Wilson summary for the folder. So that's this one right here, where we have our template, and then click the template. Then notice how it says response here. That is literally coming from our template right here. So whenever you enter two curly brackets inside of each other and you say something here, this is the field that's automatically going to be generated. Then once we click response, we can just go under where it says choices, message, and then content is our exact response from ChatGPT. Then we can customize the title a little bit, so we can say transcription summary. Then we can go ahead and even grab the name for the file just for fun. And then we need to select the new drive location for the new document being created. So we're just going to go under Russell Wilson summary, so that folder. So just change this to whatever folder you use and then just click OK. So now guys, this is the most important base already built. So we have the transcription done, we have our custom prompt sent in, and then we're automatically updating that document with those notes. Then to take it a step further, we can send an email of the custom generated document that we made. So I'm going to send it to myself so I can easily access it. So look up the Gmail module, send an email. Then we'll say to, and then we'll go my business email. Then we'll just say subject, new transcription summary. Then the content, we can just look up web view link, which is our document. And then click OK. And guys, that's it. So now when we place that audio file into the folder, we're going to get our auto-generated document sent directly to our email. So let's go ahead and add an audio file. So I just added the Russell Wilson audio. Now we can go back into Make and then run this automation. So it downloaded, now it's doing the transcription process. Now once it's done the prompt, it's creating the Google Doc, and now it will send an email directly to me. Boom, the automation just finished, and now I should have gotten an email. And look at that. And here it is, guys. Now we get these 4 beautiful bullet points of the summary. And the really cool part about this, you can adjust how often this automation runs. So we can even specify, how many minutes, 10 minutes, 5 minutes, does not matter. And then you just have to make sure that this button is turned on. So now this automation would run every 5 minutes. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I mean, this is something you can easily implement in your day-to-day business. And yeah, definitely more helpful, simple tools like this coming towards you guys. Also, I'm working on integrating chatbots, so customer service chatbots with platforms like this. So I mean, that'd be pretty interesting to see. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.